In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Facebook Marketplace seller feedback. Seller feedback helps keep Marketplace trustworthy, rewards great experiences, and lets others shop with confidence. I'll walk you through the simple flow and share quick tips so your feedback is clear and useful. First, open Facebook and head to Marketplace. On desktop, you'll see Marketplace in the left menu. On a phone or tablet, look for the little storefront icon in the app's main bar. If you don't see it right away, scroll the menu or tap the grid of apps to find Marketplace. Give it a second to load. Marketplace can be image heavy and may take a moment. Next, open your Marketplace messages. These are the chats tied specifically to your listings and purchases, separate from your regular Messenger conversations. On desktop, there's a messages or inbox section within Marketplace. On mobile, you can tap the messages icon inside Marketplace or open Messenger and look for the Marketplace tab or label on recent chats. If you've been both buying and selling, you can switch to the buying view to narrow it down. Now select the conversation with the seller you want to review. It's usually the thread where you discussed price, pickup, or shipping, and any details about the item. Double check that you're in the right chat by scanning for the item name or photos so your feedback goes to the correct person. Inside that chat, look for the option labeled Rate Seller. This often appears near the top of the conversation or alongside the item info. Click or tap Rate Seller. You'll typically see a star rating and, in many cases, space to add a short comment. Keep your rating fair and specific. If it went well, mention what stood out. Clear communication, accurate description, on-time meetup, or careful packaging. If something didn't meet expectations, focus on facts such as delayed responses, item condition not matching the listing, or issues at pickup. Avoid sharing private information, stick to the experience with the transaction. If you don't see the Rate Seller option, a couple of things can help. Make sure you're in the correct Marketplace chat for that seller and item. Sometimes the prompt appears after a transaction milestone, like once you've confirmed the sale in the chat or after a short period has passed. Interface placement can vary slightly between desktop and mobile, so check the top of the thread and the item details area within that conversation. That's it.